Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Today is April 30th, and this is my May monthly plan with me. So yeah, let's just get started. And I'm really excited to show you guys what theme I chose for this one. So I'm going to be using a Uni Kurutoga mechanical pencil and a Sakura foam arch eraser, some tombow Fudenosuke brush pen in hard tip, some Crayola super tip markers in these two shades of green, and then a whole bunch of tombow dual brush pens. Most of those are from the secondary colors pack, and then I think only one of them is different, but I'll have all the colors in the description. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh, and also my newest journal, since I just finished the old one, it is the Tsuki bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. So if you guys haven't figured it out from the sketch, it is a koi pond / Japanese garden theme, and I'm actually really excited about this theme because I have like a lot of time on my hands now, so I basically went all out on this one. And I know I say this every single video, but this is actually my new favorite theme. This like has knocked out all my other favorite themes. This is like number one. So I'm just very excited to show you guys how I created it. So I started with this pond part first, and I used the dark green because like water is actually not blue, like in ponds at least. I know that was very stupid sounding of me to say, but this uses a lot of like browns and greens because gardens are mostly brown and green, and I didn't realize that until I like looked at a picture and I was like, why is the water also green? And it was very like, I was like, I don't know how to do this. So I mean, I could like show you guys my sketchbook, but it's like really messed up looking, but it's like there was a lot of trial and error involved. So yeah, I'm drawing a little waterfall with some a gray Daiso highlighter. I'm not sure how I feel about the waterfall yet because it's gray, but the bushes are basically just like messy brush strokes. I did like a lot of Googling just to look at like different plants you can find in a Japanese garden, and I kind of just drew plants that looked like all of those plants, but were also just very messy. So yeah, honestly, it's just like scribbling in approximate shapes. I don't know how better to explain it, but it's like, yeah. So I filled in the rest of the pond, and I left negative space there for lily pads and the fish, which you'll see later. And then I use this beige tone for like rocks and stuff. And then now I'm also drawing in like those like fancy bridges that are always so nice. I have one of those in like my Animal Crossing village. Like I have the Zen bridge, and it was like the most expensive bridge or something, or one of the most expensive bridges. But I was like, that. I mean, I could just buy the cheap bridge, but when you can just catch like endless fish, then might as well go for it. Yeah, my island is coming together. Today I got KK Slider to visit, which was nice. Now I can terraform, so now I can actually like start making like my island nice. But yeah, I'm just drawing this tree at the top just to keep it like basically just to fill space. I haven't used a big journal in like 8 months since my A6 size journal, which is about half the size of this. So I'm actually really not used to the space. And honestly, with like everything getting canceled, I honestly don't need this page that much because I have nothing going on in my life. Like I'm taking one summer course, but this calendar alone is already too big for the things that are happening in my daily life. Today, I spent the entire afternoon, doing this. Like I filmed this video today, and then I made a TikTok. Oh, I made a TikTok. Oh, okay, yeah. And I watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Like that was my whole day. Like 5 hours have passed and I didn't realize it. Oh yeah, so I used a black brush pen to draw in the day, like the month May, and I drew in the borders of each day. Now I'm using this Crayola super tip to color in the lily pads, and then the tombow brush pen to draw like the orange on like koi, and I also use like black because I think they have black spots on them. Honestly, maybe I should have left it orange, but I can't really do anything about that now. But it's still like, it's okay. And then I'm just writing in the days of the week up there. Surely by now you guys have realized that there is a mistake. Like there's like a pretty glaring mistake. And that's, I forgot to, okay, when I numbered it, I was like, wait, there are 31 days in April. So that's why I'm covering up all those numbers with circles, which I'll fix later. And then I had to add an extra day there. So yeah, I'm like fixing it. That's okay. Nothing is probably going to happen on May 1st, at least for me. So I'll just let it be half covered by branches. See, yeah, mistakes happen. You just gotta improvise, adapt, overcome. Yeah. Yeah, I made a TikTok today. Same username, lexiesdesk. It has this. So actually, if you watch, like, if you followed my TikTok, you would have seen this, like, spread about, like, 12 hours earlier, maybe. Okay, and this is the second part of my journal. It's a habit tracker / meal tracker. I just wanted to see, just try it out. I have a lot of room, like, with these pages, and I'm trying to be, like, kind of healthier, so I'm just tracking out, like, what I'm eating and stuff. I mean, today I ate a bag of chips. Okay, not a whole bag, but, like, a bag of chips. And then I felt bad for eating a bag of chips because I also had, like, other desserts today. So I just wanted to, like, I guess hold myself more accountable to what I'm eating, like, and, like, I guess just eat healthier. So first it's, like, I'll write, like, what activity I'm doing that for the day, like, whether it's, like, play volleyball in the yard, do a YouTube workout, and then breakfast, lunch, dinner, and whatever snacks I ate. And then on the very left side, I have a very small habit tracker for, like, skincare, I guess reading. I think I wrote reading. Oh, and then eating no junk food, which is, like, some of my goals just to keep track of. This one's very, like, bare bones, I guess, because it's, like, there's not a lot of room to decorate here, and this part of, like, my monthly is purely functional. So yeah. Now let's go back to the nice part of my monthly, which is that side. Now I'm using a Sakura Jelly Roll pen, which I didn't introduce earlier because I didn't, like, anticipate this mistake. But this is just a simple way to, fix mistakes that happen, which is just color over it and use white gel pen. White gel pen is, like, your savior in this situation. I would suggest getting a white gel pen. And yeah, I'm just writing in the numbers, and that's pretty much it, I think. That should be pretty much it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this spread. It's literally, like, my favorite one. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it too. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Hopefully you did. Please subscribe. Check out my Instagram at LexStudying, or my Etsy shop, or my new TikTok, I guess. I'm still pretty surprised I did that. I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks so much for watching this video. Bye!